Naloka si Danny Barreto about sa interview ng Don Bell. Talagang nakilala niya ang dalawa kung paano sila sumagot at kung gaano sila karunong at katalinong sumagot sa mga interviewer. Sabi nga ni Danny, what's your advice naman with those who have been with someone for so long and they got out of that relationship and time start over? Yun naman ni Bell, well, I don't think so I am in the position to give them advice. Dahil alam naman natin na napaka-healthy ng relationship ng dalawa. God knows how much I love this ship. Kaya I can't help but to feel hurt when Donnie admitted and added Bell sa ML for them to have an interaction, knowing all too well during that time love team pa sila ni Kisses noon. Couldn't not said that na lang, but it is what it is, hoping for both of their happiness. Sabi nga nila, kahit may ka-love team, that time si Donnie talaga ang tinitibok ng puso niya si Bel Mariano. Kaya ang mga fans dati ng ka-love team ni Donnie ay sana tumigil na. Dahil Donnie na mismo ang nagsabi na inudge si Bel para ito ay magka-interaction sila at makilala nila ang isa't isa. Ito naman, napanood na ang tayo sa wakas. Grabe, it's been 3 years, decades. Sinima ko ang Titanic. Now lang minanood again ng sine. Then because of Don Bell, ganda, sulit papanoorin yon. Plot twist, grabe. Hoping for part 2 ang pagbabalik nila. At lagi nga napapansin ng mga netizen na napaka-consistent ni Donnie Pangilinan pagdating kay Bell. We finally can tell a long time and JF talaga sila. Ito naman ang kwento ni Direk Cathy regarding about the last shoot nila. Actually, pwede nang mauwi si Donnie that time kasi tapos na ang shoot niya. Maaga rin nag-pack up si Donnie kaya ang sabi ni Direk Cat, he can go na. But Donnie refused it. Sabi niya kay Direk na he will stay. Kaya pala kasi he has already a plan after the last shoot. Dahil binigyan niya lang ang kanyang girlfriend na pabulaklak at may pa-congratulate pa ito.